Hala, hala, hala. Hala.
Sige po, ako na lang.
Hindi yun pababayaran sa inyo. Takot na lang nila sa akin. Like, wala kang pasok? Wow, sarap! Mamaya na.
At Jollibee Kalayaan. But anyway, bago po tayo magsimula di our kasilahan, ladies and gentlemen, nais ko lang po muna malaman gaano nga po pagkataas ang ating energy for Gabriel's birthday celebration. Handa nga po ba ang lahat ibigay ng iyong 100% energy for Gabriel's birthday party?
Yeah!
Ladies and gentlemen, parinig po muna ng isang masigabong palakpakan ng kasama. Parinig po ng isang masigabong palakpakan ng kasama. Pia! Gabriel's birthday celebration only here at Jollibee Kalayaan. And this time, huwag na natin palagaling pa. Let us all welcome our birthday boy. It is no other than Gabriel! Once again, bigyan natin ng isang masigabong palakpakan. Gabriel! Sige, baka nahihiya lang si Gabriel. We have Naomi and Betty!
Ay, ay, ay!
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This time, bago tayo magsimula di over kasiyahan. Of course, hindi po maging masayado dito para kay Gabriel and for Mommy and Daddy nung iniwan po rin natin first kasamahan. Ang isa sa mga celebrity guests ni Mommy and Daddy from ABS-CBN. Ang isa sa mga hosts ng It's Showtime. Bakit po hindi natin sabay-sabay palakpakan? Yours! The rig dancer na walang iba, kundi si Mr. Bong Napalo! Ang isang pambansang
Happy birthday!
happy birthday song. All of you guys, this time everybody will clap your hands for Gabriel and also sing with me together with the music as loud as you can. Okay? So everybody, get ready. Get ready everyone. Clap your hands now for Gabriel!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
And now yung mas malakas!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday!
Happy
Okay? So first, you only have to do first just to face on your partner. Harapan to your partner. Harapan. Face to your partner. Okay, very good. Face to your
Nico!
partner.
Nico! Harap ka sa kanya.
Face to your partner. Harapan to you. Very good. Now.
Harap mo siya, harap mo siya. Nico! Harap ka sa kanya. Choy,
For
harap ka
this
sa kanya.
round, guys, kid, you
Harap.
only have to do what they have of music. You need to dance. Okay? You need to dance. Kailangan isasayaw lahat. Ang makita niyo lagi na hindi sumasayaw will be out on our game. Again, we have a lot of practice para po sa mananalo. Okay? Now, lagyan natin ang konting twist on this game. Once wala po ang music, you only have to do once like I said, ituro po ang iyong partner or point the nose of your partner. You need to point the nose of your partner. Point the nose of your partner.
Turo mo yung nose. Turo mo yung nose niya. Turo mo yung nose.
Ang iyong partner.
Nahihiya siya.
Kahit turo lang, kahit turo lang.
Ben! Choy!
Kahit turo lang. Yan lang. Okay, third.
Turo!
Turo lang. turo.
Harap ka, tuturo niya yung nose mo.
Yan, very good. Very good, very good. Very good. Okay, ganyan ang gagawin pag walang music. Pag may music, ang gagawin, dapat lahat sasayaw. Ready? Let's start the game. Shoot up!
Kuya, kapag na yan.
Salami. Oh, girls, ano yung Ronella? Ready? Let's dance for that.
Dan, Cedric, Dan!
Okay, tapos ulit natin yung tugtog.
Harap kayo sa kanya, harap mo sa kanya.
Ituro ang iyong partner, higit ang sa mata.
Kuya, pipit.
Walang gagalaw. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ang galing na ito. What's the name? Ano po pangalan?
Yes. Mga supportive mom. Ano
What's
pang
the name,
supportive?
ate? Ano? Ano na lang, ano pangalan mo, ate?
Gagalaw kuya.
Binracing, ha?
Makakaw ka.
Oh, what's the name? Marcus. And again, happy birthday, say I love you to your mama and papa. Galing ka po. Say happy birthday to dad. Ayaw talaga, kaya na ng pilit. What's your name, ate? What's your name? Pangalan po? And dad! What is your name? Pangalan? What's your name po? Ang gagaling. Team Aina, tama mo ba? Shaina. At Team Marcus, you are out. Ang gagawin pag walang music. Pag may music, you need to dance. Everybody say chocolate. Ituro ang ilang partner, bigyan ako sa mata, labas ang kita. Show your tongue, your big tongue. Show your tongue, Pila. Labas nila. Labartila. Ah, ang galing. Tutulo na. Okay. Who's with you, ate? Sino po ang kasama ni ate? Isa. Bili daw ba? Sino? Ay, sino mo kalak ito?
Sira ulo ka!
Narinig niyo po.
Iwan na kita dito.
Kuya, do you really love your mom? Magaling. But this time, said to say, your team is out.
Out na daw kayo.
Sorry. Sorry, kuya. Okay, tatagal ng konti. Ito ang hindi pa nabigyan sa mata. Ito ang ilang ni partner, bigyan sa mata taas, ang sa kamay, walang gagalaw. For now, ladies and gentlemen, dumating na po ang ating special guest, all throughout from the magical world of Johnny Dog, at not just one, not just two, not just three, and not just four, but five. Kumpleto po ang ating bisita today dahil sa magical world of Johnny Dog. I-welcome na natin si Happy, Popo, Mr. Young, Twirly, and Happy, and Jollibee! One,
Ano ka gagalaw?
two,
Lana.
at aluminum ba? Lumingon. One and two, that's the face, you are out. Out.
It's okay.
And this time, we have a winner! Panalo na po kayo. Nakakamalay yung trend. Winner na kayo. Okay, congratulations to the winner sa Rika. And how the Pinati Gabriel and team and your team. Congratulations! Mommy, this item will be alternative with the corner store. Gusto mo ba okay na po ito pag-gay sa kanila? You may get one. Congratulations for the winner. You may get one of these
Cedric!
prizes.
Kuha na daw kayong fries.
Just only one that. Congratulations. Okay, congratulations. Good job. Nag-hello po si Daddy Jollibee. Ay, nasa pinto, oh. Oh. Hello, Jollibee, welcome back. And this time, Jollibee, meet our birthday boy. Ayan. Birthday boy, Gabriel, please come forward, Gabriel. Ayan. Dito mo na si Gabriel. Okay. Gabriel, meet our best friend, Jollibee. Together with your mommy and daddy. That's the little mommy and daddy, please come. Here at Jollibee Korean School, our best friend. Jollibee dancing to the tune of si Jollibee. Bida ang wala magpalakpakan dyan. Wala na naman. Keep it down, keep it down. Abangan sa mga bata, baka po matamaan. Hindi po nakakakita ng maayos yung... yung ating nasa. Everyone wants to get one lamang palakpakan for Johnny! Maraming salamat, Johnny. And this time, let's begin a